Hi. Excuse me, is this machine free?
Yes, it is. I just finished. It's all yours.
Thank you. I'm new here. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come almost every day after work. What about you?
This is actually my first time. I just joined yesterday.
Oh, welcome. That's great. Are you enjoying it so far?
Yes, everyone seems very friendly, but I'm a bit nervous. I don't know how to use some of the equipment.
Don't worry, that's totally normal. The trainers here are really helpful. They can show you everything.
That's good to know. Where can I find a trainer?
There's usually one near the front desk. Just ask and they'll give you a free orientation tour.
Perfect. I'll do that. By the way, what's your workout routine? I need some ideas.
Well, I usually start with 20 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. Then I do some weight training.
How long do you work out for?
About an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. It depends on how much time I have.
That sounds good. I want to start slowly, maybe 30 minutes to begin with.
That's a smart approach. Don't push yourself too hard at first. Listen to your body.
Good advice. Do you take any classes here? I saw they have yoga and spinning.
Yes, I love the yoga classes on Wednesday evenings. They're very relaxing.
That sounds nice. What time is the yoga class?
It starts at 6:30 p.m. and lasts for 1 hour. You should try it.
I think I will. Thanks for all the tips.
No problem. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm usually here around 5 p.m.
That's so kind of you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Good luck with your workout.
Thanks, you too.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Michael.
Hi, Michael. Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Are you new to the neighborhood?
Yes, I just moved here 2 weeks ago.
Oh, welcome. Where did you move from?
I'm from Chicago. I moved here for a new job. How about you? Have you lived here long?
Yes, I've been here for about 5 years now. I really like this area.
That's great. I'm still learning my way around. Do you have any recommendations, like good restaurants or coffee shops?
Oh, yes. There's an amazing Italian restaurant on Main Street called Bella Vista. Their pasta is incredible.
Ooh, I love Italian food. I'll definitely check it out. What about coffee shops?
There's a great little cafe called Morning Brew just 2 blocks from here. They make the best lattes.
Perfect. I need to find a good coffee place. I'm a bit of a coffee addict.
Me too. So what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a marketing company downtown. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at the high school on Elm Street.
Oh, wow, that's interesting. What grade do you teach?
I teach 10th and 11th grade. It's challenging, but very rewarding.
I bet. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love it. The students are great, and I like helping them improve their skills.
That's wonderful. So, do you have any hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, hiking, and playing guitar. What about you?
I like painting, photography, and trying new recipes. I love cooking.
That's cool. Maybe you can share some recipes with me sometime. I'm not a great cook.
Sure, I'd be happy to. We should exchange phone numbers. Maybe we can grab coffee sometime.
That sounds great. Here's my number. Text me anytime.
Perfect. I'll send you a message later today. It was really nice meeting you, Michael.
Likewise, Emma. Welcome to the neighborhood again. I'm sure you'll love it here.
Thank you. See you around.
See you. Have a great day.